friends, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. What we're gonna do today is make a keto-friendly rum punch. So this is low calorie, low sugar. My family and I were recently reminiscing about our Jamaican trip last year, enjoying those rum punches on the beach, and we just wanted to channel that, how relaxed we felt. So I've changed into my Caribbean outfit and developed this recipe. So we're gonna jump right to it. The first thing is we're gonna do is use Zevia Kids Fruit Punch. And this is a 7.5 ounce can. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in our rum punch glass that we had gotten when we were in Orlando last year. Pour that in, you can see it fizzes a little bit. We'll let that go down. And again, another great trip. Black Angus is a restaurant down there in Kissimmee, Florida. They have great drinks, and obviously we purchased the souvenir glass to remember that. So we have that in there. The next thing I'm gonna do is add some splashes of Crystal Light Tropical Paradise Punch and do a few squirts in here. Give it that nice rum punch color. And I've already measured out some 2 ounces of white rum. And I'll go ahead and pour that in here. And then of course we're gonna mix it right on up. What I don't have today, which I wish I did, is that perfect little umbrella that you put on the cup. But if you'd like to hear about more recipes like this, subscribe below. Make sure to click on that bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Videos we spend time on health, recipes, fitness, fashion, especially as we're aging into our 40s and beyond. So toast to you.